Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to make McDonald's French fries. Firstly, peel the potatoes and rinse them into cold water. Use a mandolin set to quarter to half-quarter stick size for consistent cuts. Always use the safety guard, or you will have a thin, uniform fries that cook evenly. Now, place the cut fries into the sugar syrup water solution and soak for 30 minutes to enhance crispiness and remove excess starch. Drain in a colander and gently pat dry with paper towels. Now in a deep 5-quart pot, add a mix of vegetable oil plus shortening. Heat oil to 375 Fahrenheit. Add a small batch of fries to the oil so it will bubble rapidly. Fry for 1 minute only, just enough to cook the inside. Use a slotted spoon to remove the fries and place them in a wire rack or paper towels to drain, and refrigerate fries for 8 to 10 minutes to cool completely. This step helps create a crisp crust later. Now, add beef tallow on the oil and reheat to 375 Fahrenheit. Return to the cooled fries on the oil in small batches and fry for 1 to 5 minutes depending on the desired crispiness and fry size. Remove when golden brown and crispy and drain again on a paper towel lined plate. Now immediately toss the hot fries in a large bowl with generous salt and serve fresh and enjoy your homemade extra crispy French fries. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.